Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer out of paper by exploring the scientific challenges involved. We will delve into the fundamental differences between paper and conventional brewing ingredients. Understanding these distinctions is crucial to grasping why this concept is not a standard brewing practice. We will discuss the chemical composition of paper and the necessary steps to even consider its use in fermentation, which are far from simple. Paper's primary component is cellulose, a complex polysaccharide. Unlike starch found in grains, cellulose has strong beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds, making it incredibly resistant to enzymatic breakdown by common brewing yeasts. To unlock the glucose within cellulose, you would need powerful acids or specific cellulase enzymes, which are not typically available or safe for home brewers. This structural difference is a major hurdle for fermentation. Converting cellulose into fermentable sugars like glucose is a highly technical process. One method is acid hydrolysis, using strong acids at high temperatures and pressures, which is extremely hazardous outside a controlled lab. Another approach involves enzymatic hydrolysis, employing cellulase enzymes to break down the cellulose. These enzymes are costly and require precise conditions, including specific pH and temperature ranges, to be effective. Neither method is practical or safe for typical home brewing. Traditional brewing methods utilize malted grains, which contain starches that are easily converted into fermentable sugars during the mashing process. Brewer's yeast then efficiently metabolizes these sugars, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. This established process is well understood, safe, and yields consistent, enjoyable results. Attempting to brew with paper introduces significant safety risks and chemical complexities that far outweigh any potential, highly improbable benefits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.